And welcome to day 2 and 3 of our cruise plus the birthday celebrations. Let's begin. There was just so much food on this cruise. It was literally endless. So many vegetarian options, non-vegetarian options, everything that your palate could dream of on this one ship at once. We started our birthday celebration a day earlier for my husband because we were with our family, wanted to celebrate, bring in the birthday, ended our day at the club, and then the next day we deported and went to Alibag. We celebrated his birthday with his grandmom, which was such a sweet little celebration we had at home, and it was honestly the cutest thing. She's such a sweetheart. Absolutely love it. How do you feel turning 30 first of all?
I feel lovely, I feel young, and I think it's just the start of a lovely travel period and many more adventures to come.
Good morning from Awaz Beach. Today we are here at Awaz Beach and there is literally nobody here other than us. I will just show you around. This is my left hand side, that is Leon, and this is my right hand side. Like, there is literally nobody besides us here. We are here to take a dip. It's a very hot sunny day, so it's gonna be fun taking a dip. It's very clean beach. It is about half an hour from Alibag, so we drove here on a two-wheeler, on a bike, and right now we are just ready to take a dip. I'm very excited. Let's check how the water is. Now I will go in and see how the water is for myself.
Hello from
Awaz. At Awaz to make Awaz.
Hola.
Several hours later now, अभी हम लोग एक आवाज़ में ही एक there is a place called बुद्धा कैफ़े, हम लोग वो बुद्धा कैफ़े में आए हैं. And right now basically we came here like really early, and these people were really nice to us. They just let us sit there, like you can chill here. The kitchen is not yet open, so you can take a look. So basically the cafe looks like that. There's such a cute little pillow over there. He's chilling since long, and there are many dogs over here, and this is basically where the cafe is. वहाँ से उसका entrance है, and then this is where we are seated right now with all our stuff outside. They have books, games, things like that. ये लोग Moonstone Hammock बोलते हैं, but it's a Buddha cafe. And yeah, so हम लोग अभी बस chill कर रहे हैं till we get our food. We have ordered pizza, cheese balls, jalapeno cheese balls and coffee. And यहाँ पे उन्होंने बुक दिया है, तो बस एक ऐसे ही टाइम पास नॉवल उठाई है मैंने, पढ़ रहे. इट्स वेरी पीसफुल, वेरी सीनिक. दे हैव अ स्विमिंग पूल ओवर देयर. एंड ये जो बेसिकली जो मूनस्टोन हैमक जो लिखा है ना, वो बेसिकली पीछे यहाँ पे दे हैव टेंट्स एंड दैट इज़ फॉर स्टे. तो यहाँ पे स्टे वाले भी बहुत सारे लोग हैं. हम लोग तो ऐसे ही चिल करने आए हैं. एंड आई थिंक स्टे वाले एरिया से देयर इज़ अ बीच एक्सेस राइट from that side. The doggo is so cute. I love the dogs over here in Alibag. They're like so chill and so present amongst humans. They're not scared. They don't scare humans. So it must be बैठा है, chill कर रहा है. कब से he's sitting like this. Leon यहाँ पे chill कर रहा है. He is now figured out the hammock and just chilling here. I just have a tendency of attracting mosquitoes. So along with my wallet, this thing just goes everywhere with me, and it's been good. It's truly been nice. I used to first apply the cream, but I don't like applying the cream. The spray is very nice. Chalo, we'll continue here. I will catch up with you in some time. Tomorrow we are going to Bombay, and we are there for only half a day. Like, we're not even staying there. We're just literally going there mid-morning and we'll stay there till evening. And my parents and my little baby, my Shini, is gonna come, and we are all gonna come back to Alibag and then stay here for 3-4